Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing the Never Have I Ever challenge. So without any further ado, let's get started. Never have I ever peed in a pool. Never, that's gross. Do not do that. Now there's lots of questions, so I will be very quick and rapid. Never have I ever shoplifted. Never prank someone so hard. Never been in love. Yes, I have kissed a boy other than father or brother. I have. Again, my lovely relatives, kiss is not like, it's just like peck, like, or like, so we are good. Got bullied in school or college? Yes, in school I was bullied for my skin color, for being skinny, for having thicker lips, and also for not having boobs. So yeah, please do not do that, it's mean. Cried over something that is super silly? Yes, now I can literally cry over like a wrap of chocolate that I kept in my book and mom threw it. Had a crush on a guy who is already committed? Yes, but in a healthy way, like I didn't say him or he never knew. So good. Tasted earwax or boogie? Yuck, disgusting, never. Had worst nightmare before? Not really nightmares, I go through something more worst. I go through sleep paralysis. It is a condition where you feel like someone is sitting on your chest and choking you and your whole body gets paralyzed, or you feel like your whole body gets paralyzed. You can't even move your finger. So yeah, that's horrifying. Never have I ever fainted. I have lied to get out of boring work. If it is important, never, but if it is not that important, I have. Danced in public, never. I am very awkward with dancing and singing. Have experienced paranormal activities, never, and I hope never. Because I am really scared of horror related things. Been stuck in an elevator, never. Hashtag love Alina Olia. Love you more, dear. Never have I ever cheated on a partner. Never. Cheating is the most disgusting thing you can do in a relationship. Gone skinny dipping. Never. Faked sick from work. I have, but not from work, from meeting people. I am really sorry. Cheated on a test. I have now, not like taking cheats and all, just asking your friends, like marched in a protest, never. Stolen money, eaten someone else's lunch from relation home, never. Played strip poker, never. Smoked a joint, never. Do not do that things. Peed in a pool, never. Tried alcohol, just like this much, teeny tiny. I'm really sorry. Fallen asleep in public, I have. Fallen asleep at work, no. How can you? You can feel sleepy but you can't fall asleep. Lied on my resume, never. Drunk dial X, never. I do not drink, so no. Dropped acid, never. I am still scared of chemistry labs, so yeah. Had one night stand, never. Like, I'm very old school in some areas and love and romance is one of that. And even if I have one night stand, I will fall in love with that person and it will not be one night stand. Shut up, Alina, you are not supposed to speak out your heart. Next, read a partner's text or messages. I have, but in a healthy way. Being hospitalized for something other than giving birth or being born? Yes, I have. Sang in public? Never. I'm really awkward with singing and dancing. Played a musical instrument? Never. Gone snowboarding? Never. Gone skiing? Never. Traveled to a foreign country? Never. Oh my god, I hope this is not boring. And love you, D. Love you more, dear. Never have I ever cheat someone. Never. Do not do that. That's disgusting. Never have I ever fake friend. Means like someone you are friendly but not friend. Then I have. Never have I ever fake BF or boyfriend. Never. Never have I ever cheat in your exam. I have, again, like not getting cheats and all, just randomly asking your friends. So yeah. Have you been pranked? If yes, tell the backstory. Never, but why I'm scared of pranks, I can say a little backstory. So my mom said this story. There is a woman in her place. When she was small, someone scared her with a scary mask. She was walking and someone tapped her, and when she turned around she saw the scary mask and she got so scared that she can't breathe and she was hospitalized. Now she is in her 50s, still she have that fear and she turn around to look if something is there every 2-3 minutes. So yeah, that's scary. Never have I ever had a crush on someone. I have, there's a lot. Never have I ever had a baby spit on me. Never, because I do not carry babies. Firstly, because I'm scared that I will drop them. So yeah. Also, let me just say she is my best friend. I talked about her in What's My Favorite video. If you have not checked it out, I will add it here. Next, never have I ever stepped barefoot in dog poop. Never. Yuck, that's disgusting. Never have I ever not known where you was when you woke up. Now, not literally, but when I am on my periods, I sleep in another bed in another room. So when I wake up, like for good 10 to 20 seconds, I am really confused, like where is the door, where is the wall, where's my sleeper. So yeah, I get confused. Add ice cream with hot halwa. Never, but that sounds delicious. I'll try. Have you ever crushed on someone? Yes, I have. There's many. Eating overloaded? Yes, I have. Sometimes. Kidding with unknown person? Never. Embarrassing moment between people? Like the moment or... Yeah, I have. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.